Hello, my name is Mrs. Teacher and you're the most welcome. Awesome Blossom English Learner. So today, actually, I'm also working and I'm also trying to polish on my speaking, and I also notice a lot of things. Okay, when I just record to myself and I just think that where am I doing mistakes? Why I not influence on my speaking? Why I'm not too much satisfied with my speaking? So I just notice a lot of things which I share with you. Okay, I would like to share with you. So thing is that actually fillers, how to avoid the fillers while speaking English. If you're really very, if you're really very good speaker, but you have some filler while speaking English, it's mean that you have a biggest negative points, and by that things no one can influence on your speaking, and you cannot make anyone a biggest fan of you. So let's get started how to avoid fillers while the speaking English. Do you know about the fillers? Fillers is like I just tell you, huh, yeah, you know. So when a particular a word, that word is you trying to speak. Actually, you are not trying, but it's happened automatically by you. Okay, so sometimes I also notice a lot of words by a lot of speakers, like yeah, oh, yeah, like that. So this is actually fillers. If you work on the fillers and you just try to avoid these fillers while speaking English, it's mean you will be an amazing speaker. You will be an amazing speaker. Do you want to become an amazing speaker? Let's get started. So okay, so just try to feel to yourself on the silence mode. Okay, I just tell you, I just clear to yourself. When you feel while speaking English and you just feel so much nervous, and because of nervous and because of so much hesitations, you are doing these mistakes. This is actually not necessary, but you did automatically. Like that, just because of nervousness. So just don't be think that you are feeling any kind of nervous, any kind of scary or fear with anyone, a fear with a glossophobia, fear with speaking English. Just try to speak on the slow motion and just try to feel to yourself on the normal temperature and normal thing. Just try to think this language is not a training for you. This language is not a second language for you. Just try to think this language is really new for you and you are trying to learn. So why you will feel so much hesitate, so much nervous, so much scary? Just try to take a really very calm. When you will feel so much peace in you, definitely you can speak very calmly and without any feelers, because that time you're all focused on the speaking by the comfortable zone. Okay, Second thing is how to avoid it. This is the main questions, how to avoid the fillers while they speak in English. Okay, this is the main of tag. Okay, so where just try to choose any topics, and the topics just try to choose simple topic, not too much hi-fi topic, not too much relate to business, relate any kind of thing. Just try to simple. You just take a pen, you just try to start a pen topic. Okay, and just try to record your voice on the audio clip. Just try to record your voice and just try to start the topic on the pen. Okay, and only 2 minutes you have to record yourself, and after that, after those minutes, try to listen your audio clip. When you will notice that you just spoke you know so when you are feeling hesitations while the listening time to yourself, to your audio clip, and you will have to work on the remove those nerves and those fillers as well. Okay, second thing is that. Third thing is, when you just record to yourself after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, actually this is the homework for you. Okay, just try to do that things. Just try to record your audio clip, and you will notice to yourself after 4 or 5 days, till 4 or 5 days, did you noticed your mistakes, your feelers, your nervous, your hesitations when you are feeling while the speaking, when you are feeling so much clungy, so much screeching by your voice. Just try to work on. When you will focus on the polishing yourself, and after 5 days, definitely I must say to you, you will proud on yourself. You know what? Why? Because after 5 days, you will be really very feeling good, because while the speaking, you will observe to yourself that you are actually changed. Your fillers automatically remove by your practice, by your audio clip. Okay, when you will work on these things, and definitely you can remove all fillers. And after 5 days, when you will think that your all fillers completely had removed, and you will appreciate yourself. You will appreciate yourself. You will try to cheers yourself. When you will cheers yourself, and definitely you can feel too much confidence, and by that things you will feel really very good about you. First thing is that you can think about you that you are really very now perfectly speaker. Okay, and you should actually praise yourself, because now you don't have any kind of hesitations while speaking. Hesitation symbols I already included, ha, ho, or okay, means if any words, which words is using by you again and again while the conversation, it's mean that word is for you a filler. It's not mean that that word is I. No, that word is sometimes some people also or I'm thinking to make a plan like that. So I'm thinking. This kind of things are pillars while speaking. If you notice, please just try to remove those fillers. It will be really bumper for you. It will be really amazing for you, and you will be a perfect speaker. And by that things, it is a symbol of that you are a actually public speaker. You can go easily on the stage because you don't have any kind of feelers, because you already observed about you who you are. Okay, so till then, bye.